What is carburation? We know that in a spark ignition engine, air-fuel mixture enters into the cylinder and undergoes various thermodynamic processes to produce some mechanical work. For better combustion, this air-fuel mixture should be homogeneous in nature. Also, different air-fuel ratio is required for different speed and power requirements. To cater the requirements of supplying homogeneous air-fuel mixture and regulating its composition, a device known as carburetor is used, and this process is known as carburation. Thus, we can define carburation as a process of mixing the required amount of fuel and air to form a homogeneous mixture before supplying it to the cylinder. For achieving the homogeneous mixture, we require the vaporization characteristics of fuel and the temperature of the incoming air. Also, for regulating the air-fuel mixture, we need the different speed and power requirements. Related term is